and welcome to the video on decimals introduction. By the end of this video, you should be able to work out the value of a decimal in a decimal place value chart. So let's have a look at a decimal place value chart. Here we have a few columns for numbers. We have the hundreds column, the tens column, and the ones column. Then we have this decimal point followed by tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. What we're going to put in the last column is the number that we represent. So let's try and represent the number 12.85. Here we have 1 10, 2 ones, 8 tenths, and 5 hundredths. Now, that number is 12.85, and I want to know some of the values of some of those digits in that number. For example, what's the value of the 8? Well, the value of the 8 is going to be 8 tenths, because it's an 8 in the tenths column. What do you think the value of the 5 is? Well, the value of the 5 is 5 100ths. You see, the 2 is 2 ones, and the 1 is 1 10. So it stands to reason that the 8 and the 5 are also going to be whatever column that they're in. So we can write this number as 10, because there's 1 in the tens column, plus 2, because there's 2 in the ones column, plus 8 tenths, plus 5 hundredths. This is an expanded way of writing that decimal number. So let's look at another decimal, 6.019. We put a 6 in the ones column, a 0 in the tenths column, because it's straight after the decimal, a 1 in the hundredths column, and a 9 in the thousandths column. 6 in the ones, 0 in the tenths, 1 in the hundredths, 9 in the thousandths. So if I ask you the question, what is the value of the 9? We have a 9 in the thousandths place, so that is 9 thousandths. So what should you write for this video? Well, this is a decimal place value chart, and it's a good idea to be able to draw one up for yourself. So get out a ruler, draw it up as it is written here, and leave yourself some boxes underneath so that you can fill in some numbers that are going to be in the next video. Okay, that's it. Hopefully now you can work out the value of a decimal in a decimal place value chart. Good luck.